Saw a flyer for America's Got Talent.
What are you gonna sing?
I'm singing an original.
I was actually really nervous.
I now know my name. I don't play by the rules again. So
I definitely didn't think I was gonna win,
America has voted.
but like, I hate giving my hopes up.
The winner is Grace VanderWaal!
When she won the contest and we went backstage and she's crying and everything and we're going, okay, now you can take a deep breath. Now it's all over. And our recording industry family, they all start coming up to me and go, oh no, it's not over at all. It's just begun.
I don't know my name.
Ran out of all cute moms.
I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say.
I wrote my first song when I was 11. I had nothing to do except homework, and I was procrastinating like always. I was just like, I'm gonna write like a jingle. And then it just kind of got more and more serious.
Little boy, you never learned. You don't play with fire, but your money burn,